So we're going to find out in this video if you actually need to take your chainsaw apart to clean it. Now, gas and electric chainsaws are built differently, so I'm going to do the electric one and the gas one, and we're going to see if either of them are clean enough for just continuing use the next time you need it. So I'm going to open this up just to see what's in there, and then I'll put it back on before cleaning it. Whoa! Okay, that fell out. I didn't want it to fall out. But that's how bad it is. We'll see what it looks like with just that cleaning. We're gonna use air compressor with a little nozzle, and then paper towels or baby wipes. After about a minute worth of blowing out, let's just see how it looks. It certainly looks better on the outside. Okay, most of the stuff is out. This certainly doesn't look too gummed up, but let's see if it can be done even better. So let's see if we can get more of that gunk out. Let's see what it looks like. With just a few minutes of air and one wipe, this is pretty clean. I would say I would be pretty happy with this. What do you think? Is it worth 3 minutes of your time? Now for the gas saw. I'm not going to open this one up this time because the stuff fell out when I did it with the other one. And I don't want it to fall out on its own. I want to see if that shoots out of there. Alright, there's 1 minute. I can see that it's not quite as clean. Still some stuff I'd want to get out of there. I would say this is not good enough for me, but I would have continued to clean. But for the sake of the video, let's see what 1 minute worth of cleaning does. I certainly didn't know that stuff was in there. I guess we'll leave it in and see if it comes out with a bit more cleaning. Realistically, after a minute of spraying it out, of blowing it out, this is certainly going to be operational. I don't know. What do you think? All right, so after a wipe, it looks so good. Let's see, moment of truth. Okay, not too bad. It's certainly good enough shape to operate. So just a little bit of more air, but this turned out good. So what did we learn from that experiment? Well, I can say that the electric saw, that worked great. It was actually faster and easier than it was with the gas chainsaw. But the gas chainsaw, just an extra minute. So next time you use your saw, spend 2 or 3 minutes, blow it out, and wipe it down if you want to get those extra oils off. I just figured they'd stain it over time. So, few minutes, your saw's ready to go. You probably should do a deep clean every once in a while, but you don't need to do too much and it'll work pretty good. Thanks for watching. In case you're wondering, I did have to come back and do this because I saw what was in there.